Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's return time. So today is 1st of March 2021 and currently time is 10:15 am. Okay traders, so today I have taken a trade in Hero MotoCorp. You can see here traders. So this is the trade going on, and today we are trying to get a risk reward ratio of 1:2. You can see here. So traders, our target is this and our stop loss is over here. So trader, the strategy which I am using today is a new one. So let me tell you what happened, that there was no analysis or any chart patterns found a day before today, that is yesterday. So what I am doing today is that first I went to the site of NSE. Okay traders, so I picked the Hero MotoCorp from top gainers. So I came and opened the chart of Hero MotoCorp, and after that I made a trend line over here. Okay traders, so when it gave the breakout of this trend line, I entered just here and I placed my stop loss over here, which is some points below the swing low. Okay traders, so this is our stop loss. And how we decided our target? So I switched on to the higher time frame, that is of 15 minutes. Okay traders, so here this is the next resistance we are seeing over here. You can see here. So I entered here. Okay traders, so let this trade goes on and I will update you when it will hit our target. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that when stock was performing good, so I trailed my stop loss to this swing low, and our trailed stop loss was got triggered, which resulted in our loss. Okay traders, so let me show you the loss. So traders, the loss which we booked today is of ₹26. Okay traders, so this is our loss. Now let me tell you what is the problem or mistake which I did over in this trade. So traders, by using the Fibonacci retracement tool, when we are drawing this, you can see when we took the trade, it didn't even took the retracement of 38%, you can see, and we tried to go for buy side. But now when we are trying to look now, you can see it has now made a retracement of 38%, and now there are more chances that it will go upside. Okay traders, so we took the trade very early. It seems to me that this was a mistake, and that's it. Okay traders, so this was my today's trading video. We made a very small loss, and that's okay, which is a part of learning. Okay traders, so I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.